Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone in this vast cosmic theater? Since time immemorial, we humans have been captivated by the twinkling stars, the celestial bodies that adorn our night sky. We've penned tales, charted constellations, and pondered upon the enigma that is our universe. The question of our solitude or companionship in this cosmos has echoed through the ages. As we venture beyond our pale blue dot, we begin to unveil the mysteries of the universe. Beyond our solar system, in the infinite canvas of the universe lie billions of celestial bodies. Among these are exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. These distant worlds offer tantalizing possibilities for the existence of life, if not as we know it, then perhaps in forms we can't even imagine. From the fiery surfaces of hot Jupiters to the icy realms of rogue planets drifting between stars, the diversity of exoplanet environments is astounding. Yet amid this cosmic menagerie, scientists are particularly interested in a special class of exoplanets, the Goldilocks or habitable zone planets. Not too hot, not too cold, these planets could harbor conditions just right for life. The James Webb Space Telescope and the TESS mission have been key players in this cosmic treasure hunt, unveiling thousands of exoplanets and hinting at the existence of many more. In this vast cosmic ocean, these exoplanets hint at the possibility of life as we know it or as we can't even imagine. As we explore these alien worlds, we must rethink what life can be. Life as we know it is carbon-based, thriving on water and oxygen. But could there be life forms that defy our norms? Scientists are probing these questions, drawing inspiration from Earth's own extremophiles. These are organisms that thrive in conditions we'd consider hostile: deep-sea hydrothermal vents, acidic lakes, or the frozen tundra. Astrobiologists are contemplating the possibility of silicon-based life forms. Silicon, like carbon, has the ability to form long, complex molecules, a prerequisite for life. In colder, methane-rich environments like Saturn's moon Titan, we might even find ammonia-based ecosystems. But we must remember these are still hypotheses, educated guesses based on our understanding of life. The truth could be vastly different and far more fascinating. Life might exist in forms we can't even imagine, in environments we consider inhospitable. The universe might be teeming with life in forms far beyond our earthly comprehension. Our search for extraterrestrial life isn't just limited to physical exploration. We are also listening. Yes, you heard that right. We're tuning into the cosmic radio, eager to catch a whisper, a signal that might tell us we're not alone in this vast universe. This quest is spearheaded by SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, a program that sifts through the cosmic static for patterns that might indicate intelligent life. Over the years, we've had some tantalizing close calls. There's the WOW signal, a powerful radio signal detected back in the late 70s that lasted a whole 72 seconds. And then there are the more recent fast radio bursts, mysterious and fleeting signals that appear and disappear in the blink of an eye. So, what are these signals? Are they meaningless cosmic noise, or could they be the interstellar equivalent of a hello? These cosmic whispers might be our first indication of an intelligent conversation happening beyond our world. Our cosmic voyage has already led to unexpected discoveries. The universe, it seems, is full of surprises. Take for example the potential biosignatures found in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. These signatures, often in the form of gases like methane or oxygen, could be indicative of life. And then there's Oumuamua, the first interstellar object detected passing through our solar system. Its peculiar shape and unusual acceleration as it moved away from the sun sparked a flurry of scientific speculation. Could it be an alien artifact? These findings are not definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, but they do suggest that the ingredients for life might be more common than we once thought. They also challenge our conventional ideas about where and how life might exist. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, we're beginning to realize that life in one form or another could be a widespread phenomenon. These revelations challenge our understanding of life and its existence in the universe. As we probe the depths of the universe, we also reflect upon our place in it. The possibility of alien life challenges us, reshaping our understanding of existence itself. It is a quest, a journey toward understanding our universe, and perhaps, finding our cosmic neighbors. A profound realization dawns upon us. We are part of a grand cosmic tapestry, woven together by the threads of time and space. In this endless cosmic dance, we are not mere spectators. We are participants, in search of our cosmic companions.